Hi viewers, hope you all are well. I'm an official member of FOREX BD. Today I came in front of you with a new video. In this video we will show a running entry analysis. That means why I took that entry, which strategy I follow, and I will share the details of this analysis with you so that you can benefit from your own analysis and do the proper analysis yourself. So here you can see my 3 entry running here. The first one has $2,000 plus profit, the second one has $500 profit, and the next one has $500 plus profit. I have a profit about $3 and $500 with this 3 entry. So today I will show you which strategy I followed to take this entry and how I did the analysis, which is the reason for such a large amount of profit. Here I have taken entry in 3 pair. The first one is NZD/USD, second one is USD/CHF, third one is CAD/JPY. Of these 3 pair I will discuss the first pair in details in front of you. This means that there is more profit in this pair on NZD/USD. So I will discuss in details in front of you. So I hope you will watch the video patiently till the end so that you can know the details of an analysis and apply it in your own trading. So let's go to the main video without wasting time. And those who want to see the various type of analysis or strategy, please watch this playlist. Here you will find awesome strategies for you. And I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe. FOREX BD is another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you. And those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. So I came to TradingView to show you this analysis. From here I will show you in details. You can see I am in NZD/USD pair. So I am in day 1 time frame now. Here I will see if I get any kind of double top pattern or double top level. See, there is a double top area. So here you can see that the market has came down due to obstruction, and here it is expected that the market will go down. Chance of going down are much higher. But this is our double top area. This is the top 1 and this is the top 2, and it's expected that the market will go down from the top 2 and it more likely. This is the day 1 time frame. Here we will see if we get any kind of trend line or any pattern. So we can see a trend line at the bottom, and at the top we got another trend line. So you can see I have drawn 2 trend lines. So now it published a pattern. Now its name is extending channel pattern. It provides a signal to reverse the market. Basically this pattern is reversal pattern. So we are getting some confirmation here. First one is it's a double top area. Second confirmation is there has a extending reversal channel pattern, and the third confirmation we are getting is that we have drawn a trend line. Here the market touched once, then touched a second time. So hopefully the third time market will touch the trend line, then go down. Now we will move on 4-hour time frame, and I will go there and see if any kind of trend line or pattern is created. If you notice one thing here, you can understand here another pattern has been created. You may not be able to catch this pattern. So I will move to 1-hour time frame where you can easily understand. Here you can see I am drawing a trend line. I have drawn a trend line below, and I have drawn another trend line in top. So this is a reversal pattern. It's like extending channel pattern. So here we get another confirmation that the market is going down, but we can't take any entry because there is a small pattern created here. The entry can't be taken until it break out. Here you can see above that I am drawing a trend line. Market has created a pattern here, which is the bearish flag pattern. This pattern is very simple and very effective. So we will follow it and take the entry. That is, we will take the entry if the market break out the trend line below this bearish flag pattern. In other words, we will take entry only after receiving the full confirmation, because it's not right to take entry without good confirmation. And ultimately you can see that the market has broke out the trend line, and here we will have an entry and show you where to set up SL. That is, you can set up SL in this place because there is a back point. After reaching this point, market will retest and went down again. So this point is good place to set up SL, and I will set up TP by following 1:3 profit ratio. You can see there is market running. I am showing the video in a little fast motion, and hopefully our TP will hit because the market is going up, but in the end it's going down toward our TP. Another thing is that I have not given a break even yet because the market is going down once, going up once, going down again and going up again. That's why I have not given it yet. That means I do not lock my profit. So I hope you can find out more about break even in a video I will discuss discuss later, and I will come up with more and better learning video to help you so that you can learn different things about Forex, such as how to set up SL properly, how to set up TP or break even. And many are regularly asking the FOREX BD official team how to get Forex signal. The FOREX BD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal, understood, then join. Hopefully, all Forex traders have already understood the importance of FOREX BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. Since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. FOREX BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, FOREX BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. So we are waiting for the entry to come in our favor. You can see the movement of the market, and of course you have to be patient after taking any entry because the market doesn't follow any rules. You can see the market has moved closer to my profit. We can now set up a break even if we want by looking at a secure zone. So if you want, you can give break even in this place. It will not be a problem because it's a secure place, because this place has back point. So our profit has come, we have made our profit. So if we want, we can also increase the profit. So let's see what the market react. But the market has turned upward. So always follow your profit ratio and trade. We hope to upload more videos on why the profit ratio is so important, because it's a very important part in Forex. Again, the over risk ratio is not good, because if you follow the 1:5 profit ratio, it will be difficult for you to make a profit, because you will have different type of psychological problem and it will take a long time to skill it. But everything depends on your strategy. In other words, if your strategy says that the market will go far, then you can follow a larger profit ratio. I show you at the beginning in my first entry that NZD USD pair had a profit over $2,500, so I took the entry for this. So I see a lot of things, then I make an entry. So I don't have an entry as soon as I get a confirmation. I take the entry after getting a lot of confirmation. I keep an eye on different pattern and take an entry. So I hope you understand why I took this entry and how I did the analysis and in what time frame I do the analysis, also what pattern I follow. I hope you will be able to do the market analysis yourself and make a good profit. So I'm showing you my entry now. I took it from this place and market has come toward my TP. I follow the 1:3 profit ratio. So you will follow this way, or you will set up your everything according to your strategy. And the reason the market turns from here is because there is a support level here. You can see there is a support level. Anything can happen in the market, so you have to analyze it properly. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 accounts. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, hopefully this video will help you a lot. A humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.